Here, the present given question is use transform method to solve d square x by dt square minus 2 dx by dt plus x equals to e to the power of t with x equals to 2, dx by dt equals to minus 1 at t equals to 0. Here also we have to find out solution of given differential equation using initial conditions and method of transformation. Method of transform is nothing but we have to use Laplace transform. The initial conditions. First, given initial conditions. Given initial conditions are x equal to 2 and dx by dt equals to minus 1 for both t equal to 0. I mean the same given data can be written as x equal to 2 is nothing but x of t equal to 2. Here this is dx by dt also written as x dash of t equal to minus 1 at t equal to 0. Now I mean these two conditions are applicable for t equal to 0. So write the same given conditions can be written as x of 0, t value given as here 2, t value given as here 0, x of 0 equal to 2. Next to dx by dt also written as differentiation of x with respect to t, x dash of t. X dash of t value is 0. So x dash of 0 equal to minus 1. Okay, in this problem the initial conditions given as in indirect form. X equal to 2, dx by dt equal to minus 1. For both the value of t is 0. X is nothing but x is a function in t. Dx by dt is nothing but x dash of t. Differentiation of x represented as x dash of t equal to 1. For both t given as here 0. So that by writing t equal to 0, the given two conditions will be changed as x of 0 equal to 2, x dash of 0 equal to minus 1. These two are initial conditions. Now take the given differential equation. Given differential equation. D square x by dt square minus 2 dx by dt plus x equal to e to the power of t. D square x by dt square. Actual meaning of this one is x 2 times derivation of x with respect to t. It is represented by x double dash 2 times derivation of x with respect to t. This is the symbol for this derivative operator minus 2 into 1 time derivation of x with respect to t. Derivation of x dash with respect to t. This is symbol for second derivative. X is nothing but x is a function in t. X also written as in terms of t. The d equal to right side is as it is. This is the given question. Now you can apply Laplace transform procedure. Now as per procedure, the first point is apply Laplace transform on both sides. I mean applying. Laplace transform both sides of above equation. Now L of left side x double dash of t minus 2 into x dash of t plus x of t equal to L of right side e to the power of t. After that enter L into the bracket. L of first term, L of second term, L of third term. Laplace transform of x double dash of t minus 2 is a number, L of x dash of t plus L of x of t. L of e power t is similar to L of e power at form. L of e power at as per formula 1 by s minus a. So that this is a is here, t coefficient is a, but a is here 1. So 1 by s minus a is 1. After that, as per formulas, instead of L y double dash of t, L of x double dash of t is there. Actually, we know that L of y of t equal to y of s. But instead of y, there is a x. I mean, L of x of t equal to x of s. L of y dash of t. This is standard formula. S into L of y of t minus y of 0. But instead of y, there is a x. So I mean L of x dash of t given as here also s into L of x of t minus x of 0. Just instead of y, there is a x. Now we have to substitute derivatives in our given problem. Double dash also is there. L of y double dash of t actual formula is s square L of y of t minus s into y of t minus y of 0, y dash of 0. Similarly, you can write x double dash of t also by writing x in place of y. So that here x double dash of t equal to, as per this formula, s square into L of x of t minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0. This is the formula of first term L of x double dash of t. As per this formula, s square L of x of t minus s into x of 0 x dash of 0 minus 2 into L of x dash of t. Here this is x dash of t, s into L of x of t, s into L of x of t minus x of 0. This is completely the formula of L of x dash of t plus L of x of t. Here L of y of t is y of s. L of x of t is x of s. Equal to 1 by s minus 1. Now you can write L of x of t equal to x of s here also. S square into x of s minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0, 2 into s into x of s. This is minus x of 0 within bracket plus x of s 1 by s minus 1. After that, you can write real initial conditions. From initial conditions, here x of 0 is 2, x dash of 0 is minus 1. S square x of s minus x of 0 value given as 2, I mean 2s. X dash of 0 value is minus 1 minus 2 into s into x of s. X of 0 is 2 plus x of s 1 by s minus 1. Now just open the brackets. S square x of s minus 2s plus 1 minus 2s x of s plus 4 plus x of s equal to 1 by s minus 1. Now you should write x of s related at one place, order-wise. Here first term s square x of s minus 2s x of s this is square x of s minus 2x of s, and then next one is x of s plus x of s. Next terms minus 2s and plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 is plus 5, minus 2s plus 5. On right hand side 1 by s minus 1. After that here s minus 2 into s into x of s plus x of s minus 2s plus 5 equal to 1 by s minus 1. Now from these three you can take out x of s as common. S square minus 2s plus 1 minus 2s plus 5 equal to 1 by s minus 1. X of s, this is similar to a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So it is written as s minus 1, a minus b whole square form, minus 2s plus 5 equal to 1 by s minus 1. But according to the procedure we have to define x of s only. So write 1 by 1 opposite side. X of s minus 1 whole square equal to 1 by s minus 1 plus 2s minus 5. Minus 2s will be changed as plus 2s. Plus 5 changed as minus 5. X of s only equal to, this is the multiple with into, you should write this multiple opposite side, then it will be changed as division. 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 2s by s minus 1 whole square, 5 by s minus 1 whole square. After that 1 by s minus 1 whole cube plus 2s by s minus 1 whole square, 5 by s minus 1 whole square. Now there is a one formula in our Laplace transform. 1 by s minus a equal to L of e power at. But here 1 by s minus a whole power n, whole to the power of n is there. For this the corresponding formula e power at into t to the power of n minus 1 by n factorial. Similarly 1 by s plus a formula is L of e power minus at. 1 by s plus a whole to the power of n. For this L of e power minus at t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Here also n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. Now according to this, here also this is the value of x of s equals to, this is s minus a whole power n, L of e power at t power n minus 1 factorial. According to this, L of e power a is 1 at into t to the power of n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2 factorial, 2 into, but here in numerator there is a s. Now no formula within our list. In numerator there is a 1, we can write corresponding formula, but in numerator there is a s. So to get standard formula form, first the same s can be written as using denominator. What is the denominator here? S minus 1. So using this you can define numerator. First you should write a denominator, but we need only s, so that to balancing that plus 1. Now by simplifying this again we will get s is in numerator by s minus 1 whole square minus 5 is a constant, 1 by s minus 1 whole square. This is already in standard form. There is a 1 in numerator, it has formula. Okay, L of e power t square by 2 factorial is 2 plus 2 into first term by LCM. S minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square is 1 by s minus 1 plus second term by LCM. 1 by s minus 1 whole square minus 5 into, here it has formula L of e power at into t to the power of n minus 1, 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial. Now that equal to L of e power t square by 2 plus 2 into, here it is L of 1 by s minus a is formula of L of e power at. No whole power is there. So e power t plus 2 into, here also L of e power at into t to the power of n minus 1 is 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 factor minus 5 into L of e power t into t by 1 factorial. Now x of s actual meaning is L of x of t. L of x of t is x of s. X of s equal to L of x of t. Now x of t only gives us solution, so that you have to write L opposite side. Then L will be changed as L inverse. X of t equal to L inverse of right part. L of e power t square by 2 into L of e power t plus 2 into L of t into e power t, 1 factor is 1, minus 5 into L of e power t into t. Now L inverse L power 0, power is minus 1, here power is plus 1. L inverse L power 0 is 1, so that the remaining value is t square e power t by 2 only is there, plus 2 as it is. Here also there is a L inverse L is 1, so remaining is e power t. Similarly here also t e power t minus 5 into e power t into t. Now t square e power t by 2 plus 2 e power t, these two are same, 2 minus 5 is 3, t e power t. Now this is a solution of given differential equation. Here the next given question is solve. D square plus n square of x equals to a sin of nd plus alpha. Given initial conditions are x equal to dx equal to 0 at t equal to 0. This is called given initial condition. So initial conditions, first we have to write in standard form for given initial conditions. Initial conditions. What are the initial conditions according to the data? X value, dx value 0 at t equal to 0. Now the same given condition, x is nothing but x is a function in t. In the present question there are only two variables appeared, one is x, another one is t, so that x is nothing but x of t. D of x is nothing but differentiation of x. Differentiation of x written as x dash of t equal to 0 at t equal to 0, and these two are equal to 0 where t equal to 0. From this what we can write? Therefore x of 0 in place of t, what is the number? 0 equal to 0. X dash of 0 given as here 0. This is the main step of this problem. Remaining part of this question is very simple. Just the initial condition is in the indirect form, so that x is nothing but x of t, d of x is nothing but x dash of t, both are 0 at t equal to 0 is nothing but x of 0 is 0, x dash of 0 equal to 0. That's it. So that x of 0 is 0, x dash of 0 equal to 0. The remaining part is very simple. Now the given question or given differential equation, d square plus n square of x, a sin of nt plus alpha. Here it is written as d square x. Enter x into the bracket. N square x equal to a sin of nt plus alpha. D square x is nothing but 2 times derivation of x written as x double dash of t. This is n square x equal to a sin of nt plus alpha. Now this is standard differential equation. According to the procedure, first step is apply Laplace transform on both sides. First, before going to apply Laplace transform, write expansion of right side trigonometric function. This is similar to sin A plus B form. As per sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here x double dash of t n square of x a into sin of nt into cos alpha a into cos of nt into sin alpha. Now this is standard equation. According to the procedure, applying Laplace transform on both sides of above equation. After that, L of left side x double dash of t n square of x. L of right side terms a into sin t cos alpha a into cos nt sin alpha. Here n sin nt. After that, L of first term x double dash of t. L of n square is a number purely constant. Here x is there, x also written as x of t. Then remain formulas. Now x of t. L of x of t. L operated on only function x of t. That is equal to L of first term a cos alpha sin nt plus L of a sin alpha cos nt. After that, L of x double dash of t formula is s square L of x of t minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0. This is the formula of first term plus n square. L of x of t is nothing but x of s. That is equal to here on right hand side L of this one. L operated on only function in t only. Remaining are constants. Out of 3 terms, these 2 are without t related terms. This is only having t. So L applicable on only t related function. According to this, here constant is a cos alpha is a constant which is outside. L operated on only sin nt. Similarly, here also a sin alpha is a constant. Write it outside. L on only cos nt. After that, here just open the brackets. S square L of x of t written as x of s minus s x of 0 x dash of 0 minus n square of, here it is plus ma, x of s. Here a cos alpha, this is L of sin at form. We had standard formula. L of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. So that here also this is L of sin at form. A by a is n, s square plus a square is n square plus a sin alpha. This is L of cos at form. L of cos at we had here So s by s square plus a square. After that you can write initial conditions. What are the initial conditions are here? X of 0 is 0, x dash of 0 is 0. By writing these here, s square x of s minus this is 0, this one also 0, plus n square x of s. Right side, a cos alpha into n by s square plus n square, plus a s sin alpha by s square plus s square. Okay, here x of s square x of s minus n square x of s. Here constants at one place, a into n into cos alpha by s square plus n square. Here also a sin alpha is a constant, s by s square plus a square, s related at one place. Now after that, on left hand side we can take out x of s as common. As common, s square minus n square equal to an cos alpha 1 by s square plus n square, s related at one place, a sin alpha s by s square plus n square, s square plus n square at one place, s square plus n square. Here a is n. After that, x of s only, according to the procedure, just we need x of s equals to an cos alpha 1 by s square plus n square. Now this is s square minus n square. Here s square x of s plus n square x of s. According to this, here also x of s has common plus. Now x of s square plus n square whole square, by writing this multiple on opposite side, plus a sin alpha into s by s square plus n square whole square. Now x of s original form is L of x of t, a n into cos alpha, purely constants, no s, no t. This is a standard formula we had. According to the list of Laplace transform formulas, we had formula 1 by s square plus a square whole square, 1 by s square plus a square. Power of s is 2. Power of constant also is there. So that 1 by s square plus a square whole square is 1 by 2a cube. A is here n. So that according to this formula, 2n cube. Next is sin at, I mean sin nt minus at cos at, I mean nt cos nt. This is the formula of L of according to the standard formulas, plus a sin alpha as it is. This is also standard formula. Here s by s square plus a square whole square, s by s square plus a square whole square equals to what we can write? L of L inverse. You should write L inverse on opposite side. Then s by s square plus a square whole square only equal to L of t sin at by 2a. L of t sin a is n by 2 into a is n. Corresponding formulas are over. Now x of t only equal to, write L opposite side, then it will be changed as L inverse of right side an cos alpha L of 1 by 2n cube sin nt minus nt cos nt plus second term a sin alpha L of t sin nt by 2n. Okay, after that x of t only equals to L of L inverse L is 1, so within box related term is cos alpha by 1 by 2n cube sin nt minus nt cos nt as it is. L inverse L 1 plus a sin alpha. Here it is L. L inverse of L is 1. Remaining part is t sin nt by 2n. Just ordinary simplification. X of t equal to, in the first term n get cancelled. Number of terms are here 2n's. Now a cos alpha by 2n square sin nt minus nt cos nt plus a sin alpha t sin nt by 2n. Now here LCM is 2n square, so that a cos alpha sin nt minus nt cos nt plus an, here 2n square is LCM, ant sin alpha sin nt by whole divided by 2n square. Now a cos alpha sin nt, just enter this term into the bracket, nt a cos alpha cos nt plus a nt sin alpha sin nt whole divided by 2n square, that equal to, here from these two common terms we need. Here from these two here this is a cos alpha sin nt. From these two common number is nt as common. Nt as common with minus, then remaining part is here t cos nt as common, nt a also as common. Now cos alpha cos nt minus sin alpha sin nt by 2n cube, that equal to 1 by 2n cube into a cos alpha sin nt minus a nt, this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, also written as cos of a plus b nt plus alpha. This is the solution of given equation. This is ordinary simplification. Just we can write the same solution up to this one only enough. So this is solution of given equation.